Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging with Emporia Energy Vue, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect EV charging with Emporia Energy Vue, start by unboxing your Emporia Energy Vue monitor. Ensure you have all necessary components, including the monitor, sensors, and power cord. Locate a suitable spot near your electrical panel for the monitor. Turn off the circuit breaker that supplies power to your electrical panel for safety. Open the electrical panel cover carefully. Identify the main circuit breaker and the branch circuits where you'll install the current sensors. Attach the current sensors to the appropriate branch circuits that power your EV charger. Ensure the sensors are properly clamped around the wires with the arrow pointing towards the load. Carefully close the electrical panel cover after securing the sensors. Turn the circuit breaker back on to restore power to the panel. Plug in the Emporia Energy Vue monitor to an electrical outlet. Download the Emporia Energy app from your device's app store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your monitor to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, navigate to the settings to add your EV charger. Choose the option to monitor EV charging as part of your energy usage. Customize any settings as needed. Check the app dashboard for real-time data on your EV charging. Monitor your energy usage and costs through the app for further insights. You are now ready to efficiently manage your EV charging with the Emporia Energy Vue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.